Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to the Cybersecurity Bootcamp next day. So let's get started for the day. So today is the second last day of your bootcamp, and tomorrow will be your last day of this bootcamp. As per the schedule, we were supposed to finish today, but since we had no session on Sunday, so there will be a compensation of that for one more day, and we will have your session one more day tomorrow. Okay, I hope everyone is okay with that. And also tomorrow we will be assigning you some assignments. We'll give you some assignments tomorrow. What type of assignment, how you have to submit the assignment, where you have to submit the assignment. All these details will be shared to you tomorrow. And what is the purpose of giving you an assignment? We want to actually do a quick analysis of the assignments and see that whom we can decide as the winners of the cybersecurity bootcamp. So we'll decide three winners from this bootcamp, first, second and third respectively, and they will be declared as the winners of the cybersecurity bootcamp after the analysis of your assignments. So the winners will be getting coupons and other prizes. The coupons can be claimed for future trainings where you can do your individual trainings instead of attending these boot camps, because from TechRadiance the boot camps are always free, but when we actually do a training where we only have 10 to 15 members, there it's a paid training where we have a trainer allocated for only 10 to 15 participants, and those trainers those participants completely learn it step by step, and those training are for 30 hours, 40 hours, 50 hours for a month, and you can actually use those coupons over those trainings to claim it for free. Okay, so all these details will be shared to all of you over email, and the winners will be declared on Telegram group. So everything will be given and will be explained to all of you tomorrow. Okay, same time. Oh, yes, you can do the assignment. So whatever type of assignment I will be giving, once I will contact with TechRadiance team and I will ask them that what they want me to give. Based upon that, I will be deciding it and giving it tomorrow. Okay. So let's go ahead, guys. Have everybody has done the reverse engineering of the second software? Anybody has done the reverse engineering of the second software? Yes, I got two of them, three. Okay, good. Sanvi says yes. Aryan says no. No problem, guys. I'll do it again for today, so it will clear the doubt for those who have the doubt for yesterday also. So let me start quickly. So I'll do the reverse engineering with another software today. Yesterday I did it for Power Archiver. Today I will show you for Power ISO. For those who have done very good, I really appreciate your time which you have given to do that. And those who have not done, you can follow the instructions today and try to solve it. No problem, Adiran. If you're getting always paused, you can continue and see if you're able to find out the strings, the text strings, no problem. Akash, we will do it. We'll see. Do it with me now today, Akash. Akash, do it with me. Those who have not done yesterday, please do it with me for second software. Tanmay, you need to understand the binary codings of the executable file. So you have to learn about the binary codings, the conditions for understanding those binary logics. Okay, you have to get familiar with those binary codes which can be used for certain conditional and unconditional execution in your exe files. If you Google it, you'll get a lot many resources from GitHub, from Reddit. Use authentic resource to learn and just try with that. Okay, there are many tutorials available from different educational vendors also. You can even use that also. So okay, let's go ahead, guys. Yesterday we did for Power Archiver. Today I'm going to do it for the another one. So let me first install that. So Power ISO. Let's install this software and then let's see that what type of error message and what goes with this. We are installing Power ISO exe file, the one which I have given you. Power ISO. Yesterday we did for Power Archiver. Today we are doing for Power ISO. I asked you to try it. So some of you have done, some have not done. So I'm showing it again. So this is finished. And it might launch me a promotional page, which I can ignore. And this is my software installed, Power ISO. So let's start this. So what is this software, guys? This is a software that can be used to, burn a CD, or you can use that. So here it shows that you can use an unregistered version, or you can enter registration code. So if I go with unregistered version, there might be some limitations to that. Let me go with the registration code and try. So it says enter a username. So let's use the same name, Anshu. Registration code. So let's randomly add 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on OK. And it says the username or serial number is invalid. Okay, fine. So that's my error message that says that boss, your username or serial number is invalid. Cool. Now I'm going to debug this. So going to start my Oli DBG, Oli debugger as an administrator. Okay. So as you can see, it says, so there are many screens available here. I can close all of them. Niranjan, if you're an administrator, it will run as an administrator. Otherwise, you have to go individually if you're not an administrator. Click on open. Then go to the same location, C drive, program files, and Power ISO. And inside this, Power ISO.exe. Those who are doing with me, please confirm if you have done till here. If you have got the Power ISO.exe file. Yes, Hariharan, I'll show it again. So I launch my Oli DBG after installing my Power ISO. I'm running it as an administrator and then going to file, click on open. Then I'm going to this drop down, selecting this PC or C drive, whatever is available. Then inside C, go to program files into 86. That's where your program files are stored, all the configuration files of your program, whatever you install. And then here I have a program which I installed called Power ISO. I'll select that folder Power ISO, open that, and inside this I have this Power ISO.exe file, which I want to debug, open the binaries. I select that exe file, click on open, and here you go. Full screen mode. Okay, looks good. Let's me run it. Text strings. When you click on it, it will open a new window where you can see we've got many strings. So right click and click on search for text. So what was the text? The username, something like this, right? So let's write the username. Click on entire scope. Okay. Yes, I'll repeat this process. The username, what was the error message? Let me see it again. The username or serial number is invalid. Okay. The username or serial number is invalid. Okay, something I have missed. Let me start it again. You should type the error message what you are getting here. The username or serial number. This is the error message that you have to type. Arey yaar. Ma'am, it's time to call me.
क्लिक ऑन कर लेता है जब मीटिंग दूसरी चल रही होती है। इसने कहीं और साइन ऑन साइन इन कर लिया, मेरा साइन आउट हो गया, बस से चल रहा था। मुझे क्या पता, लगातार कोई करे वाला, 3 बार मैंने किया, अभी 3 बार साइन आउट हो गया मेरा।
Guys, can you hear me? Oh, I thought the meeting is disconnected. Okay. Let's open the exe file. And click on open. Right click, search for all reference text strings. Right click, search for text.
It's working fine. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm logged in again. Thank you.
Then put a dot. Click on OK, and yes, this is the message I have got. The username or serial number is invalid. After this, double click on this line and we'll open the binaries Unicode of this. And above this line, what we have to search, J and Z condition. So let's go and see one, and here it's just after 3 lines. I can see this. So double click this line and make it JMP. JMP. Click on assemble. And then you see this is a new file which has been, new code has been generated. Right click on this file after this, then copy to executable, all modifications.
Well, if you complete till here, then I will wait. Yes, Tanmay, you can save the file with your name, no problem. Yeah, it should show you paused, that's fine. Then you can continue with looking for the text strings. After completing till here, guys,
all modifications, copy all, and then this file which you can see, poweriso.exe jmp, which we have done, right click and save this file. And now I can save this file with my name. So let's say I'll give my name or any name like Tanmay, tanmay.exe. Save it, no error. And now we can close this debugger. Close this, we can go to the file, this PC, C drive, program files, poweriso, tanmay.exe. So when I open this tanmay.exe, enter registration code, I'll use the same thing, unshow and 1234. It says the username is invalid. Why? Who will tell me? I'm still getting this message. Yes, because your registration code is incomplete. Sometimes there are certain number of characters that you have to fill. So let's see how many characters it will take. We'll keep giving the characters until it will take. Randomly, I'm giving anything. Okay, so it is taking 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 number of characters. Then I've given anything randomly, clicking on OK, and it says thank you for registration. Good. Click on OK, and now I can use this. Great. Go ahead, all of you, try it. If you have doubt, let me know in the chat box. I'm making the chat box public so that your doubts can also be seen by other participants, and if they can help, that will be good. Yeah, as per that logic which they are using, again the number of characters should be matching as per the required. Yes, you can use any number. So if you have bypassed that condition, you can use any number to log in. So as I said, Akshat, you can use it for any exe file, but you have to make sure that what condition can be exploited. So you will have to do a research on that. Okay, you have to open the binaries into different debuggers and compare that when your application is running, what condition it is testing. Then you can do that, no problem. Okay, but it needs effort and patience. But it's not recommended to try those tools which are licensed and are basically more popular, because if you do something to those tools and if you share it in the surroundings and if it goes public, then cyber cell can take action against you. Uday, if you are getting an error during saving, that means you have not executed your olidbg.exe file as an administrator. So make sure that you are running that as an administrator. Guys, please try to keep your message to what we are discussing. Please don't post your emotions here. Okay, good. Wait, it's working. That's very good to hear. Okay, now guys, another practical. Everyone, can we move to another new, very interesting practical? Let me show you what I'm going to share with you. Again, this has to be used only for educational purpose. I'm going to lock my screen, sign out, and everybody please see my screen carefully. Virtual machine screen, okay? All of you just imagine a situation. Everyone stop texting, otherwise I will have to close the chat box. Okay, thank you so much for listening to that. Now listen to me. Imagine that your laptop is at home, okay, and you are not at home. You have gone out for some work. Maybe you have gone for any work, doesn't matter, okay? At your home, you have your visitors, like you have your cousins who have come for a vacation, or maybe for studying, or maybe to meet you, your friend, or maybe your elder brother wants to use a laptop, or anyone. He or she opens the laptop or your desktop, doesn't matter. First of all, they will get this screen, login screen, correct? The moment they will try to open this screen, you see what message this screen shows. All of you listen carefully and read the message. So there is a message that gives a warning to the user that says use this system on your own risk. If something goes wrong, you can be punished. Now think of a situation where you see a message like this when you open a system for which you are not authorized. Akshat, I'll come to that how. First, let me explain my scenario. Then this will become more interesting to learn. So don't try to jump to the conclusion. First, try to find the stairs to go there. Okay, so don't let it go easy. So hold your horses for the last conclusion. So the scenario is you open the laptop or you open the desktop of anyone, okay, anyone. And the moment you see this message, you can have any message like this. For example, you saw a message, window crash and error 550, error 500, error 400. Please don't press enter. Windows might crash. So you can have any message displayed here. Now, for a moment, if you're getting a message like, instead of this warning message, imagine that you have a message here like Windows crash, please don't press enter. So for a moment, it might come to your mind that, boss, I should not press enter. Let's leave this system. I should have not opened this. Or if there can be any other psychological message, that can manipulate anyone. So this is called legal notice. So I'll tell you what is this actually, guys. When you work in companies, okay, big giants like TCS, Wipro, Google, Amazon, Facebook, all these big giants, when they give you the laptop, okay, a company laptop to work, they have these type of legal notice messages displayed every time to their employees to follow the certain rules and regulations of the company. Okay, so this is just playing psychologically with the target. Now this trick works, believe me, 90% of the time this trick works. Using this, you can actually, let's say if something goes wrong with the laptop and you have clearly displayed this message to the user when he was about to use your system, and when he says that I have not done anything, or anything, you have not given me warning, I was not aware that something could go wrong, then you can actually claim it. You can put your case against him or her by showing this legal notice. So this is called putting a legal notice. Okay, so how do we put this legal notice? Let me show to everyone. So let me log in. It's nothing, it's just a legal notice. You can just read that message and go ahead. But if you post a message that looks like error, don't click enter. So psychologically, if people is a little bit not that much let's say interested to use the system, they will not use it. They'll not try to hit and try with the passwords or do anything. So how we do that, let me show you. Everyone, we'll try this together, everyone. Those who have done reverse engineering, very good. Those who have not, yes, we can undo this.
You can remove this whenever you want, Daksh. It's totally your call. If you want to put this message, do it. Otherwise, you can remove it. So those who have done reverse engineering, well and good. Those who have not done, please do watch the recording and complete it. Now moving to next topic is giving a legal notice message to someone. That is again maintaining your privacy. Okay, and then taking action against if privacy is compromised. So I used to do this a lot in my school days on computer labs, but you guys are not supposed to do this. Okay, so what you will do is, okay, I'm thinking whether should I tell it or not. Okay, so again, I'm saying that if something goes wrong, please, you have to be totally sole responsible. So please don't use it to psychologically, blackmail someone or do something like that. Just use it for posting messages relevant to your younger brothers and sisters, okay? At your home, your cousins, those who are younger to you. Post them something interesting so that it can give a big cheers to their face when they're trying to open a system, something like that. So, okay, let's get started, guys. So first thing first, you will open your run window. So start search for run. You can also use run Windows R shortcut key to open your run command. And type here rgedit, rgedit, rgedit. Yes, you have to use it in your main system. Don't use it in the virtual box. If you have your virtual box, you can use it. Otherwise, you can use in the main system. I'm not showing in the main system because if I lock my screen, the meeting will disconnect. That makes sense, guys. Okay. So if I do it in my host system and if I lock my screen, sign out, the meeting will disconnect. So you guys will say, where is sir? Sir is gone. So you do it on your system, I do it on virtual machine. Okay. rgedit, click on OK. Again, okay. Anybody got any output? Press enter. Nothing. Okay. Then search for gpedit. Okay, go for rgedit.msc. Okay. Okay, I think I was doing the typos. It's regedit, registry editor. I think this should work. Regedit. Yeah. Registry editor looks good. All of you got it? Now, can you see this? So let me do one thing first. So you guys should not be seeing this. You'll only see this. These are the folders which you can see. Am I correct? Please confirm. Yes, it will work in all the windows, guys. It will work in all the windows. Give me a second. Let me just open my notepad. Okay, now guys, you have to go to this folder called HKey local machine. HKey local machine. Open this folder. HKey local machine. HKey local machine. Inside HKey local machine, can you see a software folder? Can you see software folder? Yes, no. Okay, open your software folder. Open your software folder inside HKey local machine software. Inside software, go for Microsoft. Inside software, go for Microsoft. Open Microsoft folder, please. Microsoft. That's a very big folder inside Microsoft. You will have many subfolders. Scroll down and you will go alphabetical order and you will see there is a folder inside this
That's called Windows. Windows. You see a folder called Windows. Windows. Everybody got it? Because you have all your files of your system inside that. That's why these folders are very big. There are many subfolders. Inside Windows, there is a folder called current version. Current version. There is a folder called current versions. Open that current version folder. So inside Windows, current version. Inside current version, scroll down again alphabetical order, go to a P, and you will get policies. Policies. You'll get policies. अरे यार AC बंद, please AC बंद कर दो. AC चल रहा था. Okay. So policies, inside policies, go to the folder called system. Can you see a folder called system? Yes. That's the last folder which we have to go. So those who have missed any directory, this is the path. You can see it from the address bar. Local machine, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policy, system. You guys can keep this path also if you want saved somewhere for future reference, because you cannot remember it. Now here, can you see there is a two files in red color? Legal notice caption, legal notice text. Do you have this? Yes or no? So for you, you will see there is no data. There is no data. It's blank. So first click on legal notice caption, double click on that and change this data, whatever you want. Okay, let's say I'm writing here error. I'm putting a Windows message now. Error. You can put whatever data you want in your caption. Then click on OK. That message will be displayed here. And then text. You want text. Now what you want to display? So let's say Windows error. Windows error. You can put any message you want, guys. Any message. Windows error. Don't proceed. Don't proceed. Contact system administrator. Contact owner. You can write whatever you want. Click on OK, and you will see both the messages are displayed here. Take your time, everyone. Those who don't have, if you don't have it here, guys, you will have to right click on new. Okay, and you will have to create. You will have to create one. Okay, you will have to create one. You can write any data you want, Uday, anything inside text, anything inside caption. No, there should be two messages: legal notice caption, legal notice text. Check the path carefully, Akash. Check the path carefully. You can write a message warning your system is hacked, anything you want. After this, once we have done, please close it. That's it. Just close it. And now please log out your system. Do not shut down. Okay, just log out, sign out. You will disconnect from the meeting, but no problem. Sign out and then check and then again join the meeting. You see, you will get the message displayed. You can sign out and try. This message should be displayed. Nothing, you have to click on enter and proceed. That's just a testing. Those who have done it, sign out your systems. Yes, log out. Log out the system and then log in. And then you see when you log in once again,
The moment you press enter, before your login screen, you will get this message. And then you can log in and join this meeting back and confirm if you got the output. I'll wait for at least 10 confirmation. Okay, Tanmay got the message. Good, Tanmay. Okay, Daksh also got the message. Good. Okay, Primansh got it. Good. Okay, very good. Harshita got it. Uday got it. Meir got it. Aryan got it. Good. Kedar got it. Perfect. Very good, guys. Very good. Good to see that most of you got the output. Those who have not got it, I'm opening the path once again for you guys. You can check it and please, this is the path and these are the two files completed. I'll give you 5 minutes. So guys, you can do it on like you went to your day, and I'm just telling you a funny story. You can do this and try, you can like you have visited your cousin's home and you got a laptop, you're working. Just open this registry editor, put a warning message, and then go back to your home. Next time when your cousin will open the laptop, they will be shocked to see that message. Okay, but don't do that, please. That's only a joke. So use it legally and ethically, guys, like posting relevant messages for user, those who are unauthorized to use your system. For them, if you're working in an organization or in a computer lab, if you want to post a message relevant to your practicals or anything, okay, welcome to test and all those things. So in that cases, you can use this. Okay. If you want to remove it, go to the same path and just remove the message. Don't remove that entire file. Double click and remove the message. The legal notice will be gone. That's all. If you want to undo the changes, go to the same path and just remove the characters which you have written, those words, and then that will be done. That's it. So this is a very interesting trick. I have many of these small tricks, guys. There are many of them. I used to initially do when I was so much interested in learning initially in my school and college days. But now this is something which I can tell you. There are many of these things because of time constraints. I'll not be sharing all of them. Which background, Daksh? Talking about the login screen background. So which background? The message one. Oh no, that's a default thing, Laksh, that you can't change. We'll have a gist of Kali tomorrow. We'll have a gist of Kali tomorrow, introduction to Kali, and then we will discuss the Q&A, and then we will be talking about the assignments. So that is what we will be doing tomorrow. Soumya, after going to system, there is two files you can see: legal notice caption, legal notice text. Click on those two files one by one, double click, and then change the message into data. Write something you want in the data, whatever you want to do as a caption. Yes, Nishant, very good. Hariharan also got the output. Good to see that, guys. Very good. So yes, it will work on lock screen whenever you sign out or whenever you start your screen for the next time. I mean, start your system for the next time. Darshan, you have to sign out your account. Go to Windows, sign out. Windows, sign out. If you're using Windows 7, then log out. Nishant, Power Archiver is a software that we use to, boot something like, when you want a bootable pen drive, a bootable CD, bootable DVD, want to, install Windows through that. So you want to boot it with Windows 7, Windows 8, or you want a bootable pen drive with the image of ISO image. So for that, we use this Power ISO, and Power Archiver is just like WinRAR. You want to archive something, unarchive something, .rar files, .zip files. So for that, you can use Power Archiver. Okay, guys. So that was the last topic for today, and officially the last topic for Windows as well. We'll wrap it up here for the day. Tomorrow we will start with Linux demonstration of the interface and some basic commands and some basic introduction to tools that are mostly used for penetration testing and hacking. And then we'll be walking and discussing about the doubts, followed by the discussion of your assignment. Okay. You don't have to install Kali Linux in your system. I will be just demonstrating it. Later on, if you want, you can install it if you have enough memory in your system, if your hardware is supportive, if you have more than 8 GB of RAM, especially. Okay, it's recommended whenever you are using a virtual box, your system should be having at least 8 gigs or more than 8 gigs of RAM. On 8 gigs, it's fine, okay, but you should be having more than 8 gigs, like 12 gigs, 16 gigs, or maybe 32 gigs. Okay. No, on 4 gigs, please don't try it. Your system will go very slow and it will hamper your other applications also. So that's why I'm not telling it. It actually creates a virtual storage which is used Tanmay. So we'll discuss about this tomorrow and then it will be more clear. Okay. So we'll keep it till here for today, guys. Practice whatever we have done in last 6 days. Do watch the recordings. Okay, and if you have any doubts, please collect your doubts. Tomorrow we will discuss the doubts also, and maybe the doubts of many participants are same. So answering one might answer other doubts also. Okay, so that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Enjoy your evening and stay safe. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.